right, so I have no grip. This is traction before. Traction's only going to go up from here.
I hope so.
Just bought a project car for $1,500, a Toyota Celica GT from 2000. It's a 5-speed manual and I don't know how to drive stick. But before we go driving, we need to talk about how we were able to get an insane deal on this car.
It needs so much work. Coilovers are not in the best condition. The wheel spacers are awful. It needs a little bit of engine work. It needs a strut in the back, a wheel bearing, tons more. It has got a rough idle as well. We don't know what that's going on yet. Tons of body work, as you can see. A lot of painting to be done. And in the interior, it looks pretty nice. We have a worn steering wheel, some very poorly done upholstery. Carpets are missing their, what's the thing called that you put on the floor mat? And we have a shift knob of my nightmares. It's awful. Stripped. Parking brake isn't doing too hot. It's got 220,000 miles. We have a stereo we can't get out of Spanish and a throw-up bearing that's going out. So come on. What the hell? What the hell? It's supposed to be screw off. Okay, clutch in.
Yep.
This way, up, first gear.
Okay.
Okay, clutch, make sure it's all the way in when you shift. Yep. Okay, slowly put some gas on it. And slowly let out the clutch and you'll start to feel it bite. Take the parking brake off first.
And then when I brake,
you
push the clutch in.
You don't
brake.
always have to, but just know when you brake, it'll also put the RPMs down if you don't put the clutch in. When you're like coming to a stop, yes, put the clutch in. But if you're just like slowing down a little on the highway, so like clutch in all the way, brake, put it in first. There we go. And be careful, this car does not have a lot of grip. It's better to teach when you can go a little faster and run through all the gears, but I don't really trust this car past 45 miles an hour. Do you have the clutch like pulled out all the way?
I think I was pushing it a little bit.
Yeah. Never do in between, all the way in or all the way out. Don't rest your foot on the clutch.
Right here?
Yeah, right here. That's fifth.
Fifth for sure.
No, it's not. It's kind of hard to. It's kind of hard to tell
at first. Yeah.
That shifter sucks as well. Try downshifting from third to second. There you go. Now let off the clutch very slowly because it's going to bring the RPMs up. There you go. Let off the clutch really slowly. That's how you get the smooth ride.
Okay.
I think it's best to usually just get into second gear like as quick as possible.
Okay.
So try and put it into first, hold on the gas, hold the brake, and let out the clutch super slowly, like until you feel it start to hit right there. And then
I stalled.
Yeah, it's okay. It happens.
Okay. What
So
do I do now?
put the clutch back in.
Okay.
All the way in. Make sure you're in neutral and start it again.
So what does it mean when you stall? Like what
It just means that there was like more resistance on the tires than the engine had to offer in torque. Just being a good road, you can get into third. Let off that gas. There you go. And try to let off the clutch like just after you shift. Don't hold it in and then let it off. As you get the car moving a lot, there's more momentum, so you'll have less likelihood of it being super jerky. Take it right, take it right.
Take it right. Hello? Oh, it's not. Jeez.
Let the clutch do the work, not the gas.
Okay.
Throw it in neutral. Clutch in, first gear. Slowly let off the clutch, just a little bit of gas, not too much. I'd say you know how to drive stick. It's just about practice now. If you want to roll a stop, never do that. That's illegal. But if you do, you can keep it in second and keep going.
Yeah.
That strut is gone.
Yeah.
Thomas's difference is so funny right now.
No. It's so bad.
Disgusting.
Dude, it's so bad.
It's better than it being like a random threaded thing.
Just raw.
I think we should just have no shifter knob on it personally.
Yeah.
What do you mean, like the stock one, or just like
We're gonna try and
like a rod?
we're gonna try and find a stock one.
That shifter that was originally in there, like I took the top of it off.
I put it back on.
So bad. Well, there's no other shifter.
No, the interior though isn't bad.
No, it's actually in really good condition.
Yeah.
This has been re-sewed and there's some material missing, but it's not the end of the
Is
world.
this seatbelt not working?
No, it's not.
We
Okay.
gotta.
I also.
Oh wait, yeah, it is. It was just
It
stuck.
kind of works.
I'm
It
also
works
gonna
with
vote
it.
to take out the head.
I wouldn't trust it to save my life, but
Are those the spacers?
They're huge, dude.
because when you were saying like spacers are sketchy, I was like, I don't know if they're house centric, they're not that bad, but those are like a foot thick.
Dude, careful.
I know they're awful. Driving this car feels like it's on ice skates.
Hey,
Not like a huge.
what's up?
Alrighty.
Welcome to the Buckeye Rebuild to-do list, both the Celica and the garage. We're going to transform this space along with the car. So now by this point, you might be curious to know what Buckeye Rebuild is, because as you might have been able to tell, I'm not doing this alone. So listen, Buckeye Rebuild is a nonprofit organization at The Ohio State University. It's something that I, along with the amazing group of people in this video, have created. And its goal is simple: to provide automotive literacy to anyone and everyone completely for free and without any application. You just gotta show up and you can work on a car. This is what the Celica will be used for, and I'm excited to start getting people in the shop and getting people actually working on a car. We spent the last year working really hard on this project, so I'm happy to finally share it with you all. I'll be uploading content for it here and also on our Buckeye Rebuild channel as well, linked in the description below. All right, now back to what we gotta do.
So first half of solving the problem is laying it out.
All right, we're back and we have our list of stuff that we are going to do.
The first thing we're going to do on the Celica is remove all the awful, very, very smart mods that the previous owner put on, including wheel spacers and stretched tires and other things like that, and 4 body kits. So we're gonna remove that first. And then we're gonna remove another mod that he decided would be a good idea. Really, really poor quality coilovers that are completely blown. So we gotta remove those, we gotta replace them, and then I'd say the next part is paint. So like we have some body panels that aren't painted, they're primed but not painted. So like both the quarter panels, we got the gas cap that's a little askew, maybe repaint a few places on the hood, the wing, a lot of stuff like that. And that brings me to fixing the bumper. There's a giant hole in the bumper that is very unsightly. So we must fix that. And then unfortunately we do have check engine light or a give me more money light. It's just for evac code. So worst case scenario, we have to drop the gas tank, which would not be fun.
Yeah, because again, I don't think we mentioned this in previous clips, but we do think the engine's replaced in this car.
Yes.
Doesn't have very typical problems that an engine with 220,000 miles would most likely have. So,
And usually these 1ZZ engines burn oil. And this one, I cannot find any signs that this burns oil, like whatsoever. Spark plugs are beautiful. Exhaust doesn't, there's no blue smoke coming out whatsoever. There's no condensation on the exhaust. There's no nothing. But there are other problems like the interior, the brakes, and other electrical issues, which is probably why this car is so cheap, because electrical issues are a pain in the buttocks to fix, as some of you may know. That's our list, our complete list for the Celica. But to work on the Celica, we need to fix up the space. So we have organized tools, everything's in place, stuff like that. So insulation, it's freezing.
it's
We're cold.
15 degrees. I think it feels like 5 outside. It's pretty great.
That's first priority above everything else. Organization, we got a big tool chest. We got some more tool chests over there. We have a big table full of shite that we have to clean up. And also I have an air compressor and a pressure washer down here that do need to be mounted on the wall and need to be given a hose so I can use them. So we'll do that next, and then after the installation we'll put up MDF or drywall, and then we'll fix all the lighting in here. It's not too bad, but could be better. So yeah, that's our complete list for what we're planning to do on not only this channel but with this garage and this car. So
Welcome to Buckeye Rebuild. All right, nice guys. All right.
No.
I get too nervous.
You black struts.
You want to spell organization for me?
Yeah, I got you. Beautiful. Welcome to Fisher and Connor's Tool Organizing Masterclass.
Today we're going to be organizing a shit ton of tools.
Okay, time for space heater.
Space heater time.